Greetings and welcome to the RC Wallet Vacuum channel. So in today's video I'm going to be installing the prototype kill switch in the Kraken, and if it works here down in the shop then I'm going to take and load it up and go up in the woods in the hill climb area. I got a couple new hills in there. One's pretty gnarly, and if I get to work here we'll take it up there and give it a test. So let's take a look at the board itself. So since this is just a prototype, I debated whether I even bother to put it in a box, but I decided I got to put something in there. It's tough to package something like that when it's just in a prototype stage. So I did end up printing, 3D printing a little box to put in there, and I just got to go through and tie the wires in and anchor it in place, and then give it a test run, and we'll see how that goes, and hopefully it works, and then go out and do some hill climbs today. So let me get this installed, and I'll give it a test run, and we'll go from there. So I ended up mounting up here on the top steering plate, and thanks to the magic of wire ties and some carpet tape that's in there for now, it's for testing purposes. So let me run through the power sequence on this, and we'll see if we can get it to fire up. Let me get the radio going, at least the transmitter. And that's ready. So once I hit the power switch here, there, you will see the RGB LED go through a startup sequence. It'll go red, green, blue, and then it should switch to red and stay red, which means the magneto is shorted out, and nothing's going to change until I hit the aux button on the transmitter. So let me go give it a test here. There's red, green, blue. Now we're set, right? It's fully ready to be activated, and at this point, magneto will be shorted out. So I should be able to hit the aux button. That one right there, and that should go green. There we go. So that should be ready to go. So let me get this thing fired up. It hasn't been run for a little while, so it might take a few pulls. So bear with me. Get the ear muffs for this. There we go, it shut down alright. So it survived its first bench test, so I'm going to load it up on the trailer and take it up and do some hill climbs. So stick around, we'll go for a ride. So we're on site now, and this is one of the new hills. The other one's off to the right. I haven't raked that one yet. Mother Hill's off to the Old Hill's off to the left, but there you can see the Kraken down there waiting to run its turn. So let me finish getting everything set up and get down there and give it a test run. It shut off. All right. So the first field test, it shut off pretty good. So I'm going to do a couple more runs here in succession and see how it does. Stick around. Now the test will shut off. It shut off. All right. So this hill climb is actually quite a bit of fun, and the tailor held up real well, and the kill switch worked flawlessly, so it passed its initial test. So hopefully that's going to be clear to go on. But I did run into an issue. I got a pretty leaky shock. I know that the guy who works on this thing is kind of a dumbass, so I probably left something loose, but it kind of ruins it for today, and I got other stuff to do. So in the meantime, thanks for watching.